Great! Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today in this video we will be covering chapter 14, that is statistic. So starting with the first exercise, that is 14.1, with the first question which says a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So here the number of plants and the number of houses are given to us. Number of plants from 0 to 2 are houses are 1. Number of plants from 2 to 4 houses are 2 there. Number of plants 4 to 6 their house is 1. And the number of plants from 6 to 8, 5 are house. Number of plants from 8 to 10, the number of houses are 6. Number of plants in 10 to 12, houses are 2. Number of plants in 12 to 14, there the houses are 3. So we have to find the mean number of plants per house. So the answer is, to find the class mark, that is xi, for each interval, the following relation is used. That is, class mark, that is x1, which is equals to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here the number of plants are given, number of houses are given, and x1 and fy into x1 we have to find. So number of plants from 0 to 2, there the number of houses are 1. Number of plants from 2 to 4, there the number of houses are 2. Number of plants from 4 to 6, there the number of houses are 1. Number of plants from 6 to 8 and number of houses are 5. Number of plants from 8 to 10, there the number of houses are 6. Number of plants from 10 to 12, there the number of houses are 2. And the number of plants from 12 to 14, there the number of houses are 3. So total number of houses we have 20. Therefore we can find xi, that is the middle value of class interval. So there the middle value is 1. From 2 to 4 we have 3 middle value. 4 to 6 we have 5 middle value. So we can find it as like 0 plus 2 divided by 2. It will give you 1. Next 2 to 4. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2. It will give you 3. Similarly 4 to 6. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. It will give you 5. Similarly 6 to 8. Like 6 plus 8 divided by 2. It will give you 7. Similarly we can find rest. So f1 into x1, that is 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 5, 5. 5 into 7, 35. 6 into 9, 54. 2 into 11, 22. And 3 into 13, that is 39. So by adding all this value, we will get 162 as fy into xi. Solving further, we have summation fi is 20 and summation fy into xi as 162. So we can find the mean, that is x bar, which is equals to summation fi into xi divided by summation fi. So here we have summation fi into xi 162 and summation fi, that is 20. So dividing this we will get 8.1 as mean. So therefore the mean number of plants per house is 8.1. Here the direct method has been used as the values of class interval and fi are small. Further moving to question number 2, which says, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Here the daily wages are given and the number of workers are given. So on daily wages 100 to 120, there are number of workers 12. On daily wages 120 to 140, the number of workers are 14. On daily wages 140 to 160, there are number of workers as 8. From 160 to 180, the number of workers are 6. And from 180 to 200, the number of workers are 10. So we have to find the daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. So here the answer is, to find the class marks for each interval, the following relation is used. That is x1, which is equals to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Solving further, the class size, that is H, of this data is equals to 20. So taking 150 as assumed mean, that is A, we have to find DI UI and FI UI. Can be calculated as, here the daily wages, that is 100 to 120, the number of workers are 12, and we can find XI, that is the middle value of this, or we can find it as 100 plus 120, that is lower limit plus upper limit, divided by 2. It will give you 110. So 110 is here. Similarly with this, 120 plus 140 divided by 2. It will give you 130. Similarly with the rest of the part. So DI we can find it as, that is minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20 and 40. And UI minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Multiplying FI and UI, we will get 12 2s are 24, plus minus minus sign. 14 into minus 1, it will give you minus 14. 8 into 0, that is 0. 6 into 1, that is 6. 10 into 2, that is 20. So by adding this, we will get minus 12. Solving for the summation Fi, that is 50, summation Fi into Ui, that is minus 12, and A we have assumed mean, that is 150, and H, that is 20. So applying mean, that is X bar, which is equals to A plus summation Fi into Ui divided by summation Fi into H. So applying this formula, we have assumed mean, that is 150, plus the summation Fi into Ui, that is minus 12, divided by summation Fi, that is 50, into height, that is 20. So solving this, we will get 145.2. So the mean of daily wages of worker is rupees 145.20. So guys, we will continue the rest of the question in another video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.